Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 6 of your grammar book. It is at the page number 23, so you can open it at the page number 23. So topic is sounds. What is the sound? Sounds means swar. Sometimes the letter, as you know कि there are many letters who give different sound. That means single letter has different sound. यानी एक ही जो letter है, suppose A, तो A के अलग अलग स्पेलिंग्स में अलग अलग साउंड होंगे. लाइक I का साउंड कहीं पे क्या होगा, आई होगा और कहीं पे ई. तो दैट इज द डिफरेंस. और व्हाट इज द डिफरेंट साउंड यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज इन दिस चैप्टर. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस चैप्टर आई वांट टू क्लियर इट कि व्हेन कि हाउ यू विल डिफरेंशिएट इट, हाउ यू विल रिकॉग्नाइज कि विच साउंड इज डिफरेंट. सो दैट्स you can take help of हिंदी स्वर. दैट मीन्स कि आपको हिंदी के जो स्वर हैं उनकी मदद से आप साउंड के डिफरेंस को पहचान सकते हैं. लाइक जब भी आपको स्पेलिंग बोलेंगे, प्रोनाउंशिएट करेंगे, व्हेन यू विल प्रोनाउंशिएट एनी स्पेलिंग ऑफ एनी वर्ड, देन यू विल गेट द डिफरेंस. So let's start. You can see the number 1 here. The A is deep, B is weep, C is capped or D is keep. Here you can see underline E. All 4 options have underline E. But what is the difference between among E sound? So you can see deep here E is given E sound और weep में भी E का sound E ही आ रहा है and keep में भी E का sound E है. But capped में E का sound A आ रहा है. So it is different. Okay. Next you can see slow O का sound है यहाँ O. blow ओ का साउंड है ओ एंड ग्लो में भी ओ का साउंड आ रहा है ओ, पर लाउड में ओ का साउंड आ रहा है आउ. तो ये जो हिंदी के जो स्वर हैं, जब आप कोई भी स्पेलिंग प्रोनाउंशिएट करेंगे तो उसे देखिए कि उसे अगर हिंदी में लिखा जाए तो कौन से लेटर का साउंड डिफरेंस आ रहा है, देन यू कैन गेट इजीली. ओके. Now you can see number 3, park, bark, arrow, dark. Here you can notice कि AR is given R sound in AR, BR, DR. But in the C option you can see AR sound is given A sound is given. So it is the difference. Next, pond, bond, fawn, moon. Here you can see ON is underlined in all option, but in first ON, pond, on sound is given on. But moon में ON का sound आ रहा है un. तो so it is different. Okay. Went, ENT. Here NT is underlined. Bent and mention and fainted. Here you can see NT is given NT sound. Bent, ant, faint, bent. But mention, in the spelling of mention, NT is given N and sh. So it is different. Next, soon, blonde, moon, noon. Here you can easily recognize B option is different. Felt, belt, melt, fleety. Here fleethy is different. Voice, choice, rejoice, all are same but nicely. Here ICE, I sound is given different in option B. Next, superior, manner, banner, planner. Here superior is given different sound A. Next, scoop, flop, stop, shop. Here scoop is given different sound. So student, in all option you notice कि how a letter spelling is same, the letter are same, but the sound is different. Sound means ध्वनि. ओके, तो जो ध्वनि का जो डिफरेंस है, जो उनका साउंड, लेटर्स के साउंड का जो डिफरेंस है, वो आपको इसमें रिकॉग्नाइज करना है. Now come to the next page, page number 24. Here you can see well, pillow, hell, smell. So you can easily recognize the difference in pillow. Holiday, stool, fool, school. Here you can see the option A is different because stool, here OL is given ool sound. Ool in fool, school, ool. But in A you can see holiday, all. OL is given all, only sound. Okay, so it is different. Next you can see door, floor and moon. All are same but oral is different. So you have to concentrate on the pronunciation. But the pronunciation is different, then that is different. Ample, example, temple, but pleasure. The option B is pleasure, so it is different. Life, wife, knife, but number B is felt, so felt is different. In junior classes you used to do rhyming words. So rhyming words means words which gave the same sound. So here is the same. Here also you have to recognize the rhyming word. So which is not in the rhyming, that is different. So see the next exercise number 2. In exercise 2 it is also same. You can see can, man, when. So but C is ask, so it is different. Modify, good, would, stood. Here A is different. Flew, get, wet, met. Here flew is different. Grey, pray, pray, but eyes is different. Earn, deal, deal, seal. Here earned, EA is given here a sound, so it is different. Part, heart, apart, but arrow is different. Roll, pole, hole is same but follow is different. Like, bring, spike, mic, which is different. Bring, because I is given here bring, E sound. In rest, like I is given I sound, spike I is given I sound, and mic also is given I sound. So bring is different. Wake, cake, name, but knife, here K is given no sound, so knife is different. Here her, over, there, were. Here her, E is given a sound, over, and वर में भी आ रहा है, बट देयर में ए, दे, ए is given a sound, so it is different. Number 11, this th is given here the sound. In the B, that, the th is given the sound, but in the thin, th is given th sound, and there is also the. So thin is different. No, walk, talk, lock. You can easily recognize a is given different sound because here k has no sound. It is silent. Come, whom, none, some. Here b is different. Way, hey, may are same, but happy is different. Okay, you can see the next. To, no, so, no. Here all o are given o sound, but in a o is given u sound, so it is different. Loudly, out, should, proud. Here in the all option ou is given ow sound, but in the C should u sound, so it is different. 9, kite, print, light. Here print is given different because here I is given I sound, e sound, sorry, and in the rest of option I is given I sound, so it is different. C is different. Moon, book, soon, cool. Here book is different because here u double o is given book chota u sound, and all other option double o is given bada u sound. Okay, so it is different. Come at the next page, page number 25. You can see here number 5, cut, u is given a sound, cup, a, bus, a, but in the C option put is given, in the put u is given u sound, put u sound, so it is different. Okay. 9, kite, light, print. Again, so I is given I sound, print e sound, so it is different. So students, you have to do these exercises in the book, and for getting the difference you have to pronunciate it many times, then you can easily recognize which word has a different sound. Okay, thank you.